Hello everyone, I'm Tejas Nasre. So हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं how to install Uniwind and with Expo in React Native. Like traditionally we use style sheets and it's great, but बहुत सारे जो developers होते हैं they come from like web to mobile, and in web we are like mostly designing and building with Tailwind CSS. So जो हमें आदत रहती है like to write the classes and all this stuff. So that's why this video will be using like Uniwind how to set up, and there is a new library as well which is from HeroUI. So we'll be exploring that as well, how it works and how you can install in your Expo apps. So the Uniwind, like it's like the creators are from Uni Styles, and it's the like fastest Tailwind binding for React Native as of now. So these are the features, like you can theme your app. The like CSS runs on the all the platforms smoothly, same as in the apps and in the web, and it supports like the dark theme, white theme, all this stuff. So here is a like the comparison, like rendering time lesser is better. Like सबसे कम टाइम होता है like the style sheet, and then they have Uniwind Pro as well. Yeah, I think उनका like they we have to like pay the subscription and use the classes all stuff. I think ऐसा कुछ होता है. And then it's Uni Style and then Uniwind. But like जो Uniwind है वो like it's like constantly like they are building stuff and releasing new stuff. So I think ये जो rendering time है it will be less in some like years and or in some versions. And there is a native wind as well. Native wind मैं पहले use कर रहा था, but like it's too slow, I think. So yeah, and after that we have some new library as well, which is built on top of Uniwind. So here we have Hero Native from Hero UI. So we'll be adding this as well. So first start with Expo. We'll be like first creating the new Expo app. I have already made a folder. So like Burnax, we'll be copying that Burnax create React Native app, and it's created. It will be like resolve the install the required stuff. We'll be moving forward to like Unibeam, how to install this. So you can like install with Burn, Better Stack, and or like create Expo app itself. So we'll be like creating with the Burn itself. So मैं copy करता हूँ and it's still installing. We'll be waiting for a second. So here you can see like the Hero UI. They are building a library, a component library for like the on the build on the like top of Uniwind. So they have like components here. I think my internet is down a bit. Okay, like this we have buttons, all this stuff, and our Expo app is ready. So what you want to do for like run reset project and hit and so यहाँ पर पूरा like folder structure will be clear. After that we can move forward to install Uniwind. We have to paste this command. After that we have to create global.css. So यहाँ पर like we have no some note like we recommended keep this file to keep in root of your project. So I think we have to make the src folder and all this stuff, but we will be not like uh, doing the src folder stuff. So we'll be building global.css file here itself. After that, we have to paste this stuff and import here global.css. The error like coming is like the ESLint error, so it will be resolved in a second. After that, yeah, we have to import. We have imported. After that, we have to configure the bundler. So it's a metro config bundler. If you don't see a metro config, like you have to run this command. So we'll be running this command and we have to like paste this. After that, uh, like we also have to like not create, but we recommended placing Uniwind types.d.ts in src file or app directly, but it should be in the root, and like we have to just change the structure and we don't have to create this file. ये बहुत confusing होता है, like जब मैं इंस्टॉल कर रहा था तब like I have so much confusion. So we don't have to create this file, it will be automatically created by Uniwind. So यहाँ पर ऐसा करना है, like here we have to do app stuff. After that, our Uniwind is installed, so we will running connect expo start. It will be start our app, and after that, like we can theme, we can add the all the stuff. It's like the Tailwind CSS, and you can also read Tailwind basics here in the documentation how things works. We have some API stuff like use Uniwind stuff. From here we can set the themes, and there are like so many stuff we will be not like learning in depth. After that, they have component also like how things works. You can read here as well. After that, so we'll be exploring Hero UI, the Hero Native UI. So we'll be quick start and install with the bun itself. So I think our app is ready. So first, like check out our Uniwind is working or not. After that, so here we will be entering A and it will be open in our Expo Go app. You can like connect your Expo Go in the mobile itself by scanning the QR. So first, like we have to test like the Uniwind is working or not. So we will come here and here I'll be adding class text Excel text rate 700. So yeah, you can see here it's working smoothly and it's too fast. Like yeah, that's all. And after that, we'll be adding this Hero UI as well here. So like open the new terminal. We'll be adding bun add Hero Native. After that, we have to like install this mandatory pre-dependencies, and it's strictly recommended to use uh, the versions. So we will be adding that here. After that we have to like set up the Uniwind जो हमने like पहले से ही कर लिया है. Like after that, if you like migrating from native in, here is like the migration guide as well. And after that we have to configure global.css here. So I will just do this, and after that we have to wrap the providers. So I will be copying this stuff and I will go here after will- and then I will wrap this stuff here. So just like we want to this. After that, for advanced stuff you can see the provider configurations, and to add the first component, just we have to add this line to here and import that button from the Hero Native UI, and we like how to stop the server. Okay, it will be not running, and I will show you why it's not it will be not working. After that, you can check out all the components here as well. The checkbox, there are form fields, navigation, bottom sheets, and so many stuffs which is useful for to build mobile apps. And here's are like card, all this stuff. We will be checking out the example for the card example, and we add that stuff here. Come, come. So let's run our app and see how it looks and it's working or not. So like we are getting here some error and the button is not visible. It's pressing but it's not visible. So I will show you what's the error. So मैंने जब install किया था like the Uniwind, so here like we have to add one more dot and then refresh all this stuff and run the server again. The source is coming from the this path and not the root path because the file is not in the root, so we have to configure that. And yeah, it will be run smooth here in our app, the buttons and the components, all this stuff. Okay, so where is my, so here you can add the button variant is primary and size is large. Okay, so reloading app, and so we have added the card example as well. Let's see. Yeah, it's working smoothly. Here we have some errors, so we'll be first reload the app. Okay, so this string must be like, yeah. So here like get started, all this stuff should be in text and like this, and we have to import that from React Native, and we have to do this for like all the components we have. So I will be first entering a and we'll be testing, and like you guys can explore all this stuff here and how it's working. So yeah, and also do start to the Hero Native library. It's super great and super fast and it's too smooth. So here you can see it will be like getting some errors that we have to wrap the string stuff in the text. Text. So in the cards we don't like wrap. Here you can see the errors, not the errors, but these are warnings. So you can see this is the nice button, and we have the card as well, and all this stuff. You can explore their library. It's super cool and super modern as well. So you can have like see the examples here. So here is the pressable feedback card like this, all this stuff. So yeah, that's all about installation of Uniwind, how to use like Uniwind and Expo apps with Tailwind CSS bindings. So yeah, thank you guys. If you like this video, like do subscribe, do like and let me know how it's how the video and let me share your feedback.